For homeowners in Hilliard, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round can be a challenge. With warm, humid summers and cooler winter months, your home's heating and cooling system works hard to keep conditions just right. However, if your windows are outdated or inefficient, they could be undoing much of that effort, letting air escape, causing drafts, and driving up energy bills. Installing new, energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to create a stable indoor climate while reducing strain on your HVAC system. Let's explore how modern window technology helps maintain consistent temperatures in Hilliard homes, keeping you comfortable in every season. The problem with old or inefficient windows: older windows often lack the insulation needed to handle Florida's changing weather. Over time, frames can warp, seals can break, and single-pane glass allows heat to transfer easily between inside and outside. This means warm air escapes during winter, forcing your heater to work harder. Outdoor heat seeps in during summer, making your air conditioner run non-stop. Certain rooms feel too hot, while others remain cool, creating uncomfortable temperature imbalances. Replacing these windows with modern, energy-efficient models instantly improves your home's ability to regulate indoor temperatures and maintain year-round comfort. Advanced insulation with multi-pane glassed modern windows are designed to minimize temperature fluctuations. Double and triple pane glass includes insulating layers of air or inert gases, such as argon or krypton, between panes. These gases slow down heat transfer, preventing warm air from escaping and outside heat from entering. In Hilliard's humid summers, this means your home stays cooler without overworking your air conditioning. During cooler months, the same technology traps indoor heat, keeping your rooms cozy and consistent. This high level of insulation not only enhances comfort but also reduces your energy usage, lowering monthly utility costs. Low-E coatings. Reflecting heat where it belongs. Another key feature of energy-efficient windows is low-E, low emissivity, coating, a microscopically thin metallic layer applied to the glass surface. This coating reflects infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. In summer, low-E glass reflects the sun's heat away from your home, keeping interiors cool and comfortable. In winter, it reflects indoor heat back inside, preventing warmth from escaping through the glass. For Hilliard homeowners, this results in more stable indoor temperatures and less dependence on artificial heating or cooling, saving money and improving your home's overall energy performance. Tight seals and energy-efficient frames. Energy-efficient performance isn't just about the glass, it's also about the frame and installation. Older wooden or aluminum frames often expand, contract, and lose their sealing ability over time, allowing air leaks. New windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials offer superior thermal resistance and a tighter fit. Professional installers use advanced weather stripping and insulation techniques to eliminate gaps, preventing drafts and maintaining consistent air quality and temperature in every room. This precise sealing is especially important in Hilliard, where humidity and coastal breezes can quickly find their way inside if your windows aren't properly secured. Reducing hot and cold spots throughout your home. If you notice that certain areas of your home are warmer or cooler than others, your old windows might be to blame. Poor insulation allows heat transfer through window panes, creating temperature zones that your HVAC system struggles to balance. New windows eliminate these variations by improving insulation and airflow. The result? Even, comfortable temperatures throughout your living space, whether you're in the living room, bedroom, or kitchen. Added benefits beyond temperature control. Upgrading to new windows does more than just improve comfort. Homeowners in Hilliard also enjoy lower energy bills due to reduced HVAC usage. Quieter interiors, thanks to improved sound insulation. Better humidity control, minimizing mold and moisture buildup. Enhanced curb appeal, boosting your home's value and visual appeal. These long-term benefits make new windows one of the most worthwhile home improvement investments for Florida homeowners. Final thoughts: maintaining a consistent indoor temperature in your Hilliard home doesn't have to mean running your air conditioner or heater non-stop. With new, energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy year-round comfort, lower utility bills, and a more sustainable home. By combining insulated glass, low-E coatings, and airtight installation, modern windows create a barrier that keeps your home comfortable no matter the season. If your current windows show signs of drafts, condensation, or uneven temperatures, it's time to consider an upgrade. Partnering with local Hilliard window experts ensures your new windows are installed correctly, providing lasting comfort, energy savings, and peace of mind for years to come.